A 10-year-old little boy from Southern California named Nathaniel Angel Castro Mendoza reportedly died, and this was due to a fentanyl overdose. 10 years old. And now his mother is turning her heartbreak into advocacy, and that's so that others don't have to experience such a tragic event like this as well. So Nathaniel reportedly passed away on December 12th of 2024. According to the San Bernardino County Sheriff's Office, deputies responded to a 911 call and they found the little boy to be unresponsive. A 10-year-old, guys. They then performed life-saving measures, but unfortunately he was pronounced deceased. A medical examiner later confirmed that his cause of death was due to fentanyl toxicity. Nathaniel's mom is Marcela Castro, and she said that her little boy was a joyful, active, and loving child who loved baseball, football, riding his scooter, and spending time with his family and friends. She said she was at work when a family member called to tell her that her son had stopped breathing. She heard 911 in the background and heard that he was pronounced deceased. I can't even imagine. To begin with, it was said his cause of death was not clear, and it wasn't until weeks later that the coroner informed her that her son had died from exposure to fentanyl. Then they were wondering, where did he get the fentanyl from? She says she was shocked at how this could have happened and how her son was exposed to it because she thought they had a drug-free home. But then a criminal investigation reportedly took place, and police then arrested Christina Alvarez, who was the girlfriend of Marcela, the mom's brother, so that would have been Nathaniel's uncle's girlfriend. She had reportedly been living at the home with them. Marcela, his mom, said that Christina had prepared a shrimp dinner for Nathaniel that night, and the mom believes the fentanyl may have been ingested or transferred through contact. Investigators later reportedly found more fentanyl in Christina's possession. Unbelievable. Christina was eventually charged with felony child endangerment, and she was booked at the West Valley Detention Center. She is reportedly waiting on a court hearing for mental health diversion, but Marcela says that's not enough. She said Christina should be charged with murder, and I totally agree. She said her son was murdered because of this woman's reckless actions, and she is so right. Now Marcela is calling for a change. She not only wants accountability for Nathaniel's death, but she also wants stronger laws to protect children from unintentional drug exposure in their homes. She has now launched something called Nathaniel's Light, which is a campaign to raise awareness and to push for new legislation. This law would reportedly push for stronger legal protections and accountability when children are exposed to deadly substances, especially in the very homes where they are supposed to be safe. This campaign has already gotten 1,500 petition signatures. Marcela is said to be working to build support from lawmakers, and she also plans to launch an official website. The petition is calling for the judicial system to hold Christina accountable, and it urges broader reforms to prevent similar tragedies from happening. This includes increased public education, addiction support services, and community awareness about the dangers of fentanyl and other drug usage. I'm going to post the link to the petition. If you're interested in signing it, I'll post it in the comments. Please share and repost this and sign the petition because Nathaniel deserves justice. Christina definitely should be charged with murder, and she should be held accountable to the fullest degree. Child endangerment being the only charge is absurd to me because a child actually died because of her actions. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and for more true crime, be sure to follow and subscribe over on YouTube.